It says, my mother said to me, if you are a soldier, you will become a general. If you are a monk, you will become the Pope. Instead, I was a painter and I became Picasso. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Every time I read it, I love it. Because here it is, without Picasso, where would the world of art, paintings, anything that he impacted be? We don't even know, because all we know of is Picasso. Well, we know of Picasso because of Picasso's mother. Because she was there pushing him, saying, you know what? You could be the best soldier, that's possible. But what about a general, though? You know what? You could be the best monk possible. But what about the Pope, though? And that put in his mind that I could be more than what I imagined myself to be. And he became Picasso. What if we do that for our children? What if we do that for our children? Because a lot of our children... You better go ahead, girl.